All right, guys, Tony here with Nothin Car Reviews, bringing you another product review. These are Fahren's Forscher LED headlamps. Got these from my express conversion van, and this should be a pretty easy swap. We have basically two bolts holding these in on either side. So we're gonna take those out, remove the housing from around the grill there, and we'll see how easy it is to swap these out. Now for the lights themselves, they're covered up in this shrink wrap, so I took that off, took the top off. It's a little tough. It should tell you what size bulbs you have. So I have the 9005s, 9006s, and this is just how it comes in fresh out of the box. I don't know what's in there, but here are the actual bulbs here. And I like how they're packaged, and basically the cord just runs where the old ones go, and I'll just show you that if I can get this bird to be quiet. All right, so out of 5 socket sets, I only have one 10mm, and that's what I'm going to need for these bolts here. So we just put those into place, break those, unscrew them. Sorry, the wind just picked up out of nowhere. It's like the story of my life, but unscrew those and we're gonna see what happens. So once the screws are all the way out, that's what they look like there. You just get those loose and then you just kind of pull this out. Just be careful with it. And you're just gonna pull the housing out here. And again, just be careful with it. Just kind of work your way out around the grill. And then you'll have access to the back there. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. All right, so I don't want to take the light all the way out. I don't want to have to fool with the side here or with removing this. So we're just gonna kind of pop it out here, and then we're gonna get access to the bulbs themselves that are in there. Pretty easy. Again, with the 9006, 9005s, all you have to do is just turn those out, swap the bulbs out, and stick them back in. So we're gonna see how easy it is to do with these upgraded LEDs that we have here. All right, so I took out the old bulb. There it is there. Like I said, pretty easy to do. There's the socket down in there. You can see that. But literally, I just took it, unscrewed it from the housing there, and then we're just gonna put the new bulbs and replace the sockets there. And you can see it tells you which one's the 9005 and which one's the 9006 on these, particularly on the side here. And I like how they did that so you don't get them mixed up, because they all look the same, just like the normal bulbs do. So we're gonna swap one side out and then compare it to the old side and see if there's a noticeable difference. All right, so I got them in. It's kind of a tight squeeze. This side's a bit easier. Again, you literally just pop it out, put it back in. I did find them a bit more difficult to put back in than it was to take them out. It might be because the housing's a bit more metallic, I don't know. But again, it was just a bit easier to take them out and put them back in. But once I finally got them in, that's what they look like in there. So let's go ahead, and my phone just likes to do everything by itself, thinks it's smarter than me. Let's go ahead and just cut these lights on and see the difference. I know it's daylight out, but should be able to tell. And wow, yeah, there's the LED on that side, and there is the old halogen bulb there. It's like night and day. It's crazy. That man. Yeah, that's freaking bright. So pretty excited about these already. Now watch when I put the high beams on, if you can even see it. So there's a high beam over there. Sheesh. Don't want to accidentally have those on when I drive past somebody, because that will blind them. My goodness. So yeah, that's gonna be a noticeable difference that is going to be very appreciated. So gonna put them on this side now, finish everything out, and then put everything back where it's supposed to go, and then I'll let you all see the finished product. All right, so I have the bulbs back in, I have the housing all the way back in, everything's screwed in. I just want to give you all a little word of advice. Whenever you put these back in here, this is where it can get a bit difficult. So these are a bit bigger because they have the fan on the back, the headlights themselves, so they poke out a little bit. So first and foremost, on the low beam side, just make sure that you give it a little bit of space. It looks like mine are, this doggone glare, it It looks like mine are right on top of that little plastic frame there. I basically hit it and then came off of it just a little bit with the screw, so it's still nice and tight, but I didn't torque it all the way. And with this one here, you want to make sure that you put this side in, you put in the high beam side first on both sides, because there's a little clip that these go in, and it doesn't really hold it that nicely on the van. It's down in there, but you'll know it when you pull it out if you pay attention. Then when you put it back in, you just want to make sure that's in that little socket there. And then you basically want to tighten this side all the way, and then just watch this side. Don't over tighten it where that little clip pops out of that hole there. So other than that, I mean, it really doesn't make a big difference, but what I noticed was the sides didn't seem even when I was missing the clip, and then I realized that's what it was. But I mean, these LEDs are they're phenomenal. They really are. They just look so good. Big thanks to Fahren for allowing me to review these headlamps today. They really are. They're going to be something driving on the road. You can just see those compared to the parking lights, like night and day. You can't even tell the parking lights are on. And then when the fog lights are on, that's just going to look really nice at night. But I mean, it's just an easy swap on the Express 2500 with the 9005, 9006 headlamps. That's usually how they are. I had a Geo Prism that had the same headlight configuration. It was just easy to swap those bulbs out. So again, easy to do and pretty good price, I think. I'll leave a link below in the description so you can get the best possible price on the lights, but I mean, they're pretty cheap for what you get. So there you have it. These are on the 2018 Express 2500 LED lights. Love them. Catch you on the next one.